Welcome back to Adulting 101. If you're looking to kickstart your investment journey, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics of investing, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. First off, investing is not the same as trading, so stop trying to pick individual stocks. Instead, focus on purchasing ETFs, because in investing, diversification is king. As Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, famously said, "Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack." Now you might be wondering, which ETFs should you buy? If you're in a country that doesn't have a tax agreement with the US, you should consider Ireland-domiciled ETFs. Why? Simple: taxes. Ireland-domiciled ETFs are subject to a 15% dividend withholding tax, while US-domiciled ETFs hit you with a whopping 30% tax. That difference can really eat into your returns. But here's the trick: if you're using a broker like IBKR, the type of ETF you buy can depend on your transaction size. For amounts below $500, you might actually save more by purchasing US-domiciled ETFs thanks to lower commission fees. However, for transactions above $500, Ireland-domiciled ETFs become the better choice. This is a pro tip many beginner investors often miss. Another key point: always pick ETFs with a low total expense ratio. This helps you minimize ongoing fees and maximize your returns. Lastly, consistency is crucial. Stick to dollar-cost averaging, and whatever you do, don't panic sell during market dips. For beginners, I highly recommend two great books: The Boglehead's Guide to Investing and The Psychology of Money. Both will deepen your understanding and build a strong foundation for your investing journey. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips on adulting and check out my referral links below. Let's level up together.